Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best HP laptops on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. HP Victus 16, 2023. The HP Victus 16 is a budget-friendly gaming laptop that doesn't skimp on performance. Powered by a 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series graphics, it offers a compelling mix of power and affordability. The 16-inch display provides vibrant and colorful visuals, although its 60 Hz refresh rate might not appeal to those who prioritize ultra-fast displays for competitive gaming. However, for casual gamers or those on a budget, the Victus 16 delivers a smooth gaming experience. The laptop's design is both functional and stylish, making it an attractive option for users who want a balance between performance and cost. With its impressive specifications at an affordable price point, the HP Victus 16 is a solid choice for gamers looking for value without compromising on power. Number 2. HP Pavilion 14. The HP Pavilion 14 strikes a balance between affordability and functionality, making it an ideal choice for students and professionals with budget constraints. While it may not boast cutting-edge features or deliver high-end performance, it offers a stable and reliable everyday computing experience. Priced at $549.99, this laptop provides solid performance for routine tasks, making it suitable for document work and content consumption. The Pavilion 14's lightweight design adds to its portability, making it convenient for students and remote workers. Overall, if you're seeking a budget-friendly laptop that covers the essentials without compromising on reliability, the HP Pavilion 14 is a compelling option in its price range. Number 3. HP Spectre X366. The HP Spectre X366, featuring the 12th Gen Intel CPU, continues to uphold its status as a premium 16-inch 2-in-1 laptop, offering a compelling combination of impressive design, a stunning OLED touchscreen, and enhanced performance. Despite the emergence of Intel's 13th Gen processors, the Spectre X366 remains competitive and worth serious consideration. Its 2-in-1 functionality, complemented by HP's rechargeable tilt pen for an expansive tablet experience, adds an extra layer of versatility. Overall, this laptop successfully marries premium aesthetics with solid performance, making it an attractive option for users seeking a high-quality convertible device with a spacious display. Number 4. HP's BookFury 16G9. The HP's BookFury 16G9 stands out as the ultimate workstation laptop, designed to handle the most demanding computing tasks with exceptional power. In its 9th iteration, this laptop boasts premium components for unparalleled performance, featuring an overclockable 12th Gen Intel Core i9 CPU, a formidable NVIDIA RTX 5500 GPU with 24 GB of RAM, and up to 64 GB of RAM. The combination of these high-end specifications ensures optimal computing power for tasks such as video editing, programming, and 3D design. The inclusion of 1 TB PCIe NVMe SSD storage further supports the efficient handling of resource-intensive projects. However, this extraordinary performance comes at a premium price. Various configurations are available starting from $2,350. Number 5. HP Spectre X360 13.5-inch. The HP Spectre X360 13.5 secures its place as the premier 2-in-1 laptop, earning the prestigious Editor's Choice accolade. Renowned for its elegant and robust design, featuring a sleek chrome diamond-cut aesthetic, this laptop exudes sophistication. Powered by a robust 12th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, the Spectre X360 13.5 delivers commendable performance, excelling in document processing capabilities. Notably, its dazzling OLED touchscreen, boasting a 3:2 to aspect ratio, provides an exceptional platform for immersive video content consumption. Recognized among the best 2-in-1 laptops, the Spectre X360 13.5 stands out for its fusion of high style and substantive performance, making it a compelling choice for users seeking both form and function. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.